If you love the color purple, add it to your plate. Naturally, purple fruits and vegetables are rich in antioxidants that fight inflammation and improve overall health, including skin health. A 2019 review in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism highlights that purple foods are high in polyphenols and plant-based antioxidants that may help prevent UV-induced skin damage and skin cancer. Here are 5 nutrient-rich purple foods that are great for your skin and overall health. 1. Grapes and raisins. Consumption of grapes and raisins may help protect the skin against damage caused by the sun's ultraviolet radiation in healthy adults. In a 2021 study by researchers in the University of Alabama at Birmingham's Department of Dermatology, 19 healthy human subjects orally ingested a powder of freeze-dried grapes for 14 days. The researchers found that a 74.8% increase in natural protection of the skin was shown in the subjects. 2. Beetroot. Research from WebMD indicates that beetroot juice can improve inflammation and blood flow, both vital for skin health. A 2021 study in Food Science and Nutrition found that beetroot helps protect cells from oxidative stress, which can harm skin health and lead to chronic inflammation and skin diseases, including cancer. 3. Passion fruit. Passion fruit contains a special polyphenol antioxidant called phytoetanol, which is beneficial for skin health. A 2013 test tube study published in the journal Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin found that phytoetanol isolated from passion fruit protected skin cells from sun damage. 4. Purple cabbage. Studies have shown that purple cabbage has anti-inflammatory properties, and applying cabbage leaves to the skin can reduce inflammation. A 2016 randomized controlled trial published in the Clinical Journal of Pain found that adults with arthritis who wrapped their knees in cabbage leaves daily reported significantly less pain after 4 weeks. 5. Eggplant. Eggplant, also known as brinjal or aubergine, is used in many different dishes around the world. Silycodene rhamnosylglycosides, SRGs, a type of compound found in eggplant, are effective against skin cancer when applied directly to the skin. More research is needed on the same. Eggplants are also rich in vitamins A and C. Add these purple fruits and vegetables to your daily diet and boost your skin and overall health.